Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing the sold out Cult Beauty Travel Essentials edit. The Cult Beauty edits sell out within a day or two. Unless I ever get the opportunity to work with Cult Beauty, which would be amazing. It's a dream of mine one day. Then unfortunately, I might not get to see any of their edits before they are sold out. Because for the last couple of months, they've always sold out before I get to show you. But I'm just posting it up anyway, because if you're new to Cult Beauty and their edits, which are coming out monthly, you might want to watch this video to see the type of products that they have in their beauty edits. Then you'll be aware for the next time they bring their edits out. As soon as I find out what their next edit is going to be, I will post it up everywhere. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, Facebook, on here, I post up like daily deals and things like that on the community tab on YouTube. And I've got a little link tree as well where you can sign up for email notifications. And as soon as I find out, then I'll post it up everywhere. So I'm not too bad at getting it out there as soon as it drops. It's just the fact that it's always sold out by the time you see these videos. But anyway, it contains 14 items, it costs £42 and it has a value of £195. So there's no denying that Cult Beauty have really great value edits, definitely. But obviously it's down to you if you like the products or not. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Even though I've now got a ton of these little bags from Cult Beauty, I love them. I love this colour. This colour is beautiful. It's, how would you describe it? Like a purple blue, like a purpley blue. Look at that colour, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's got Cult Beauty on there, and I believe you can buy these off the website for like £20. I really like them. I keep all of these bags. And there you go, a little sneak peek inside. So yeah, I'll be keeping this one as well. There's no information about the products inside the bag, but obviously everything that you see, you will be able to purchase off the Cult Beauty website. So starting off with something for your lips. We've got a Lano Lips here. This is a tinted lip balm with SPF 30. This is full size for dry lips, and it's in shade Rhubarb. I like a tinted one, an SPF lip balm. See? Just gives you a subtle sort of hint of tint. No, it doesn't really smell. So we've got a Lano Lips tinted lip balm with SPF 30. We've got Augustinus Bader, and this is the eye patches with TFC8. And it's a single use set of patches there for your under eyes. I haven't tried these before. We've got a sheet mask from Decree. This is SOS Revitalizing Mask, weekly AM and PM. It's a biocellulose treatment mask by Dr. AJ Sternum. We haven't seen sheet masks actually in beauty boxes for a while. We went through a phase of getting them in nearly every single box for about a year or two. And I had a huge selection. It's enriched with signature rose extract, reparative and brightening antioxidants, deeply hydrating hyaluronic acid and silk amino acids to help repair and restore the skin's barrier and comfort even the most sensitive of skins. Perfect for boosting skin whenever it is in need of some TLC. So yeah, happy to have a mask. We got a little Molten Brown bath and shower gel. There's 30 mils here. And we've got Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. Really nice handy size. I say handy as obviously this bag is all to do with travel. So all the things that you see in this bag, presumably you could just pop in your suitcase and off you go. So you've got a bath and shower gel. Did I tell you it's a nice smell? I smelt it, but I didn't tell you what I thought of it. I love it. I love a lot of Molten Brown scents anyway. Rhubarb and Rose is my favourite. I hate rose, but rhubarb and rose. Oh, it is amazing. This excites me. Biossance. This is Squalene and Hyaluronic Toning Mist. It hydrates and balances the skin, and there's 30 mils here, and it's full. Did I say it's full size? Yes, it's full size. I've only ever tried little samples of this, I think, and it's so lovely. I really like the serum as well. I've had a serum in the past as well, and this is the perfect size to take away with me on holiday on a weekend, because most of my mists are big, and the one I particularly love is by Neod, but it's huge and I can't bring that with me anyway because it's too big. But I have tried this. I do like it, so I'm really chuffed to this. Refreshes skin depleted by stress, exercise and everyday life. Hydrates with 2 types of hyaluronic acid and squalene, while algae helps balance and replenish. Weightlessly revives morning, night and on the go. Yeah, happy with that. Then we've got Summer Fridays, and this is jet lag mask. There's 28 grams here. This is really nice as well. This can be used in many different ways. It suggests you use it on the plane, but obviously you don't have to use it on a plane. You can use it at home, so you can apply it as a mask and no need to rinse it off, you just blot off the excess. You can apply it as an overnight mask as well. You can wear it as a moisturiser. Yeah, it just feels so nice. My skin is a little bit dry, so that's perfect there. See, not just for your face. It says, is your skin stressed, tired and thirsty? Our fragrance-free formula helps nourish, hydrate and smooth dry skin with niacinamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, leaving it looking renewed, radiant and ready for anything. We got Sunday Riley. This is autocorrect. This is a brightening and depuffing eye concentration cream. Have I ever tried this? I don't think I have. Depuffing eye contour cream. This would have been so handy a few weeks ago. There's 8 mils here. I went to Lisbon as a last minute trip with a friend of mine just for the weekend. We had 2 full days there, and on our last day as we were leaving, my eyes are really puffy underneath, proper puffs. And I've never experienced that before. It really freaked me out. I thought, what on earth is going on? I felt fine, but it took about a week for them to go down, which is really, really odd. So yeah, this would have been perfect. Instantly provides a lifted and depuff look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Yeah, really excited to give this a go. Then we got Medicate, one of my favourite skincare brands. This is Surface Radiance Cleanser, Resurfacing AHA, BHA, Mangosteen Cleansing Gel. There's 40 mils here. I've used this many times. I even took it to Lisbon with me, an actual same size as this one, so I received it in a different beauty box. Possibly Cult Beauty, who knows? I can't remember these things. But yeah, it's just a really nice, gentle cleanser. Then we got some sunscreen by Cooler. This is the classic face sunscreen, fragrance-free, high protection, SPF 50. It says non-greasy, lightweight hydration, water-resistant for up to 80 minutes, and there's 25 mils there. Love the fact that it's factor 50. So yeah, handy. I'm loving this bag. I'm loving it. Just because I can just imagine just taking this with me wherever I go. Even if it's just up the road to stay the night with a friend or something, you know. You've just got the perfect size beauty products of really, really great brands. We got Laneige. This is Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturiser. There's 10 mils there. So it's a little pot. A nice water-based cream. Then we've got a serum from Avene. This is Hyaluron Active B3 Concentrated Plumping Serum. Smooths immediately and plumps, and there's 10 mils there. The serum contains 2 highly concentrated dermalogical key ingredients. Niacinamide 6%, also known as vitamin B3, helps improve the skin barrier function and even skin tone, and hyaluronic acid 1.5%, combination of two pure hyaluronic acids of natural origin. So it moisturizes, smooths and plumps the skin. It's got serum. Next we've got something for your hair. This is by Away, and this is a leave-in conditioner. There's 25 mils here. This is a spray. Yeah, I've used this many times as well. I've received it in different beauty boxes. And then the last item, it's a hair mask. This is by Amica. This is the Cure Intense Bond Repair Mask, and there's 30 mils here. I love the design of Amica products. Really, really great. You massage it into your mid-lengths and ends, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you rinse through. Use it as a weekly intensive treatment. And here's another good look at that bag, because I think, yeah, you can buy them. Look, you've got little compartments in there. You've got a zipped compartment in the middle. You've got larger compartments there. So they are cool bags, aren't they? I could never get rid of them. I just put them all in order. You've got a complete skin set here. So going through them quickly. You've got the bath and shower gel. You've got a leave-in conditioner. You've got a facial cleanser. You've got a facial mist. You've got a serum. You've got an eye serum. You've got a moisturiser. You've got an SPF. And you've got SPF lip balm. You've got 2 masks. You've got one for your face and one for your hair. And then you've got an eye mask to depuff your eyes and a sheet mask to brighten up your face. I really like this one. I like it more now that I've had a look at the products and unboxed it than I did online, if that makes sense. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get one for yourself? Or are you watching this gutted because you can't get one and really annoyed with me because I'm showing you? But yeah, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.